This home is ready for you. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a large room over the garage, living room and family room. Tons of space for all. It is completely fenced, dual HVAC systems, open floor plan, main 4 bedroom, main floor full bath, stainless steel appliances, washer and dryer do not convey, 2-car garage with space on both sides. This beautiful community offers a neighborhood school, pool, walking trails, a playground, soccer fields and water views. Seller does not pay flood insurance,